Hare Krishna. It is said in Srimad Bhagavatam, Nigama kalpatarur galitam phalam, Shuka mukhadamritam ravasanjuktam. So it is said that Srimad Bhagavatam is the ripened fruit of the Vedic literatures. Srimad Bhagavatam was compiled by Srila Vyasadeva at his maturity of spiritual understanding. Srila Sukadeva Goswami has declared once, Sarge sette sa kailase, Vaikunthe nasti ayam rasa, atha pibantu sadbhagya, mama munchata karhisit. He said, this mellow, this rasa of Srimad Bhagavatam is not available in the heavenly planets, in the Kailash, in Satyaloka, and not even in Vaikuntha Loka also. But this rasa, this mellow is available only on this earthly planet. It is available only for the earthly people. So he said, Atha munchutu sadbhagya, mama munchuta karhisi. Atha pivantu sadbhagya. So, oh, the earthly people, you should not avoid relishing this rasa of Srimad Bhagavatam. So many times devotees, they think, how can I study Srimad Bhagavatam, such a vast literature, 18,000 verses, how to recall the verses, how to connect the link between the verses and the chapters, how to understand the many intricacies, how to memorize the verses. So if you are thinking or if you are afraid of studying Srimad Bhagavatam, you must join us on this our new project, Bhagavata Pravesh. We are going to start this soon on the day of 10th September, the appearance of Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhadra Purnima. This is an initiative by ISKCON Bhagavat Mahavidyalaya Govardhan. Sri Sukadeva Goswami said, Sadasibhya Srimad Bhagavati Katham Jasyam Sravanamatena Harisittam Samasve. We should always relish or should always serve Srimad Bhagavatam, because by giving an oral reception, Sri Hari, Lord Hari will immediately come and sit on our heart. Please do join us and make Srimad Bhagavatam your life and soul. Thank you. Hare Krishna.